Here we have a 2019 BMW X5 XDRIVE30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 21-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the two big kidney grills at the front, we have the carbon style M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter, the side skirts, the rear diffuser and the spoilers. Round to the passenger side you'll find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the black roof rails, also the pano glass roof just there, the shark fin antennae and the rear carbon fibre spoiler. We also have the carbon just down here for the skirts as well. Again, around to the rear, a bit more carbon just there. We also have the carbon rear diffuser along with the M Sports exhausts. We also have 360-degree cameras with front and rear sensors, power assisted tailgate, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. So coming into the back first, you'll find the full leather interior. We have a foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO punch just down there. Down here you'll find the vents for the rear passengers. We also have some storage behind the front seats. We have the brush metal handles on the doors, the electric windows as well. We also have the ambient lighting, which you may be able to see just over there. Now if you come into the front, you'll find the same full black leather interior. However, both of these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also both heated, as you can see just there. And the driver's side has the memory function as well. We also have the electric windows with child lock for the rear, the electric power folding mirrors as well. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. Down here you'll find the auto lights and again the ambient lighting just there. Multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable as well. We also have the paddle shifters on both sides, the cruise control and speed limiter. We have the auto wipers just on that stalk there. We have a digital dashboard as well, and the main infotainment screen, which is touchscreen. It also has sat-nav. We have the intelligent safety as well just here. Of course we have the 360-degree cameras, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB radio, we have the different drive modes. We also have a range of buttons just here, such as the air suspension as well. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you would like to find out more, please check out the pictures on the website. Thank you for watching.